So you'll be sure to see John right down on top of that truck tormenting him. I think you're right.
I didn't know they did that. That's insane.
Performance, you ask? Well, the next floor's Shockwave jet truck is the world's fastest truck, as recorded by the Guinness Book of World Records. Racing at speeds up to 376 miles an hour, and in that double blast we had earlier, he almost exceeded that at 73. At 36,000 horsepower, the next floor's Shockwave has enough power to accelerate at almost 3 speeds vertically, as much as the space shuttle. All the way back in 1985. Cannonball passed away with his gone north wind. Oh, here comes John Klatt. He's headed straight for the truck. Jim, I think he's letting them know that we're out to rain out there anymore. Now I can see him again. Got him again. Shockwave, sponsored by Next Floor. The next big thing online. www.nextfloor.com is what you want to check out. That's NEXTLORD.com. Spin it up, get it ready. The drag race is about to begin. John Klatt is about to come roaring up from behind in that Staudiker S300. Here comes the aircraft. John Klatt is right behind them at about 150 miles an hour or more. Engines are, oh, what a lead he has. Look at this. Here comes Ken Shockwave to the next floor. Oh my, he's jumping on that side. What a good lead, because he still went past the aircraft. 348 miles an hour on that run. Even though there was a big lead, he went. Our demonstration is flown by in a non-modified, fully combat capable